Okay, we are on the Louis Vuitton website. It is January 13th, 2025, and let's start browsing. So this is the homepage, new in bags. I love the neat organization, the pictures, and then obviously fragrances, bags, sneakers, belts. Makes it very easy to navigate. I love this picture. Look how beautiful. It's very diverse. I love it. This picture is really nice. Then we have, okay, here's some prices. A little over 2,000 for this bag, a varsity, a leather jacket over here for 6,200, sunglasses for 780, soccer. Is this a soccer sneaker? Let me take a look. You guys know I like soccer, so I gotta get a close look. These are nice. I like them. A little over $1,000. I like those. Pretty cool. All right, let's check out the sizes. Okay, put that in the shopping cart. Very nice. All right, so let's go to women. Handbags, all handbags. There's shoulder bags, totes, mini bags. Louis Vuitton, there we got 2,000, 2,800. This is a reversible. That's pretty interesting. For 3,000. Oh, I like that. That's kind of cool. Let's view more. So they have nice bags here. All for about $2,000-$3,000. And then this is 5,600. So we got a lot of nice bags, very expensive. Services, let's go to watches, let's go to jewelry. $3,000, $3,000. So we have some pieces of jewelry. $2,000. All right, women, men, watches, perfumes, trunks, travel, and home. They have pet accessories here, sport and games, library, tech objects and accessories, games and leisure. We have collectibles. There's a snowboard for $9,000. A bike. That's pretty cool. $29,000 for a bike. Look at these skis for $10,000. Wow. Very, very, I didn't even know they carry these things. Like a ping pong table for $84,000. That's ridiculous. Wow. Card game box, 540. Chess game for $4,000. Baby foot canvas, 71,000. Sunglasses pouch, 720. Then you got these little dolls. A cup for 775. It just sounds crazy. All right, and then we got a snow mask. So you got all these little things here. I didn't even know they carried all this. Collectibles. I did want to see, like, I thought it said some tech. Where's that little tech section? Anyway, I guess we can go to services. You could personalize. You can get a repair, the art of gifting. Leather goods, you could put your initials. Oh, I like that ring. I like these bands. That's nice. This platinum Louis Vuitton. That's not bad. 1,600. Very simple. I love that. I would want that for 4,000. This is nice too. The pink, gold, and diamonds. This is cute. I like that bangle for 30,000. Very nice. I like their rings, actually. A lot of their rings. This one's nice. That is nice. They have a lot of stylish rings. Okay, so you guys got a rough idea of the price range. And let's go to, let's see some, what is this? New York City exclusives. We have an NYC signature cap, 540. This bag for 3,000. We have some denim skate pants, 1,800. Imagination, this 400, 410. This is pretty cool. All right, so we're gonna skip down to careers. And then we're gonna search. All right, so we have a seamstress in California, first shift, entry level. All right, so all you need, high school diploma or GED, 0 to 3 years experience, press manual, sewing test, knowledge of sewing on leather. Price range, okay, so $18.50 to $20 an hour. And these are the shifts, 5:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. All right, let's go to expert fashion, client advisor in Alabama. Part-time, I don't see any salary. Oh, they do have an intern in Italy. This is an internship, so they do offer internships. You can take a look at that. So there's a lot of jobs. You can search by country, by region, by job function. You can go to retail. You can just do marketing or digital, IT, search. So let's take a look. All right, so not bad. Let's go back. Sustainability, work culture, news. We're gonna go back to the home page. And now we're gonna go to, there's fashion shows. Now we're just gonna check out their Instagram and YouTube. I don't see any social media links on the homepage. No, so we are just gonna go to we're gonna search Louis Vuitton on Instagram. They have 55.7 million followers on Instagram, so you can subscribe. Oh, that's that same picture that I like. I like that. That's on the Instagram. Oh, look how beautiful. All right, and now we're gonna go to YouTube. You can click over here, then you have additional social media links. When they started, 2000. 2000. They changed it to 2005. All right, so that was the website review. Hope you liked it. Till next time. Bye.